Hello guys. Today we learn about how to use Masonry layout in Ultimate Portfolio. First, open your WordPress dashboard. Click on Pages, Add New. Write any title name. Click on Add button to add the Ultimate Portfolio. First, select a content source you need. Click on Upload Media to add images. Click on Continue. Choose any layout you need. Click on Continue. Choose any quick selection you need. You can use drag and drop functionality. Now click on Publish button. Click on View Page. Ultimate Portfolio is successful on your page. Go to Edit Page. Click any one image. You can use drag and drop functionality. Click on General Settings. You can set image count. You can show display caption. Display description. Display category. Set column according your devices. You can also set columns. Set image gaps. Now click on Update button. Click on View Page. Your page settings has been changed successfully.